Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. Medical Care App Flutters inside. Today need to develop this here the medical store profiles UI need to developing here. First of all, need to see this here the designs inside the XD files. Now need to open this here the XD files and look like this UI need to developing inside the Flutters. Already you need to making inside the doctor profiles. You need to use this here look like this UI inside the profiles. Now here like here. Now need to go first of all and to create here the new files inside the medical shop folders and to give this here the medical shop profile screen dot like this. We need to write down here, and now we need to go inside here the find out here the screens doctor profile screens. Now need to copy and we need to paste here like here, and now we need to change this here the names of the screen, set here the medical shop profile screens like this, set here the titles, and now need to save this file, and now we need to give this here the no needs here the titles. We need to clean here. Also you need to clears here the colors for the app bar. I need to set here the background colors, color dot transparent like here the sets, to save this here like here. So we need to configure, and also we need to remove here the this top no needs. Now need to clean here, maybe stay here sometime. Now first of all we need to configure this here the this click events. Now need to go inside the home tab screens and to find out here the events of these shop cells. Need to set here, use this here the context dot push extension methods, and to call this here the medical shop profile screen, and to save this. If you not see here the second video how to write down this push extension methods, please first but all see here the second video, and then after need to use like this here the functions. Otherwise you need to write here the long way. Need to write down here this full path like here's. Now need to save and to click here and opening like this here the screens, and now we need to modify here the UI. First of all, so need to go inside the screens of the medical profile screens, and we need to first of all the making here the columns and to convert into the stack. Now we need to give this here the alignments. We need to set here alignment dot start top center like here, and we need to give the first of all the image sets. Maybe no needs here the bars. So need to clean here measure sets set here. So now need to find out here the image correlative path, and we need to paste this here. Now we need to give this here the width or the fixing here. We need to set here context dot width extension variables. We need to use here and look like this here the set, and to save this here and look like this here the showing here. Now we need to set here the some space between here the UI. We need to setting here. Now we need to set here the this UI. First of all we need to remove here the colors. We need to set this here the color transparent, and we need to remove this here the border radius no needs now, and set here the const. Otherwise you need to clean this here and no need here the decorations like here the setting here, and look like this here the showing this UI. And now we need to increase this here the these margins. We need to also increase, maybe need to no need this text. We need to clean here, so is good like here, and look like this here the setting here. Give this here the some height space, maybe set this containers inside Maybe need here these containers and need to convert into the like here. Give this here the height double max set here. Set here the max speed like here. And now again need to scroll down, need to clear this text, save here, and look like this here the showing. Now we need to increase this here the padding first of all. Now need to go inside here, set here the margins, need to convert into the only, need to set here the left 20 and right 20, top we need to set here the 150, and also need to configure this here the bottom, set here the 2013, and look like this here the UI are the showing similar to design. Maybe increase this here 160 is good related to screen. Now we need to set here the some needed information, so need to change here. First of all, we need to show here center into the shop name, we need to showing here. First of all, now we need to copy here this text and we need to write down here, create here the row, that here the childs need to paste here like here, and we need to set here the titles of the medical shop, need to paste here, show like this here, and we need to give this here the cross axis alignment, not cross, main axis alignment, sorry for center, and look like this here the showing. And also need to make sure, so need to given this here the mark paddings of these containers, this column, set here padding all 15, so need to set here, look like this displaying goods, and we need to show here. Now we need to show this here the address, copy here, need to paste this here. Now need to showing here address, font size also need to set here 12 regular, and text also set here the T, color secondary text, remove here the semi bold, and look like this here the showing here. Maybe no needs here the right here the expand, and also set here text alignment, set here the center, look like this here the set, and configure these here. Now we need to set here the ratings of this UI, you need to configure here, maybe make here mistake, symmetric, vertical 20 is good, and const value like this set here. Now we need to find out here the medical shop row years, and we need to get this here the rating UI, and to put here after the address, and also make sure, so need to give this here the center, and look like this here the showing for this UI. Now we need to show here the experience, we need to set here We need to copy here the anyone titles. Like here, so need to copy with these dividers. Paste here. Now need to set here the maybe find out here the titles here 14s and 14-year experience. Cut here, we need to paste this here, need here, and to set here, cut this text, apply here, set here the 14. Font size we need to set here the 12 and font weight 600. And we need to set here the color, T color, primary colors. And now we need to show here the total watts. And to set this here the titles as a watt. Set here the color, secondary text, and look like this here the setting here. And maybe we need to decrease this here. The color, secondary text, set here the space, look like this here the show, and also here give this here the space, remove here, and showing like this here. Now need to clean this here and show like this here this UI similar to designs. And now need to showing here the value of the timings. Now need to give this here the padding, so need to set here, so need to clean this here the service, no needs now. Look like this here the showing here. Again, we need to copy this here, this UI. We need to copy and we need to paste here. Same like this here, put this here the UI, and to give this here the verifications for titles, clean here these all things. And we need to set here the black colors. Now need to save and look like this here the showing here, and another text for the medical license. Look like this here the show inside the verifications. Articles inside we need to set here the 15 for this padding. Also maybe we need to change here, set here 15. Good UI looking. Now same as again, so need to copy this here the with dividers and to paste here. Now need to set here the titles as a service. Remove here temporary close, no need it's all this, and set here the home delivery. Look like this here the showing here, maybe wrong place. We need to cut here and we need to paste here. Like these settings and configurations are set here. Now again we need to copy for this data and we need to put here, set here the titles. Maybe we need to set like this titles, no need this here the row, need to clean here is good, unuse also here, and also check here, no needs this unused widgets, we need to remove here, clean codes, set here the const value, also set here const value, and like this settings here, remove here the feedbacks, no needs here the no inside the UI, I need to clean here, and remove here the stop, no needs, like this sets here. First of all need to give this here the titles as a payments methods, like here, set here the padding, symmetric, verticals need to give this here the for, we need to copy, paste here many times, MasterCard, and after the debit card, and after credit card, and last one is the Visa card. Look like this is the service providing inside the payment methods. Now we need to show here the context, we need to send this here the titles, and remove this here the address field, no needs now. We need to show here the phone numbers and creating here the another buttons, icon button on press event, set here icon as a call on, phone icons need to put here, set here the color white, const value, need to like these settings here or these configurations, and remove ink well, we need to set on tab, and set here the child. Now convert into the widgets, containers, decorations, we need to set here, set here the color, t color green, like here set here the border radius, circulars, set here the 20, and we need to give this here the width and height, so we need to set here 35, and look like this here the show, need to set here the decrease, 30 is good, and to set here 15, like here's, and icon size also need to change this here's, we need to set here the 15, and look like this similar to designs, we need to putting here for this UI. Again, so need to copy and to making for the message UI, write down here message, set here white colors, need to set here the orange color, colors, paste this here, and const value, give this here the some height space, width space, need to set here the 8, const value, save here, and look like this here the showing here, and remove here expand, no needs, and to set here const value, and we need to give this here the some width space sized box. We need to set here the 13 comma const value, and look like this here the set, and we need to set here the cross axis alignment, not start. We need to set here the center similar to design, so need to creating here the UI. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.